Hello, hi. This is Leo from Bonjour Solar, and then today we are going to show you our very big system, a very big system for one of our client design. And this one inverter is the 60 kilowatt inverter, power frequency, 3 phases inverter, and this one is our 120 kilowatt hour lithium battery. Because now more and more countries they need the off-grid solar system, or they need the energy storage solar system. So more and more clients they need the big system for the hotel, for example, for the hospital, for the small company, and the small community. So I think that this kind of stable system will be very good for your use in the hotel, hospital, and some small company. Especially with the before, most of this kind of system they use the gel battery, AGM battery, but now we can use the lithium battery like this. This size is already a 120 kilowatt hour capacity. So I will show you more of our system. So from the inverter, we can see the outside here. We can see the LCD monitor, LCD display. After the connection of the battery, we can see all information of the system. For example, the voltage of the battery, the solar panel, and the loading, and the current, the power, everything. You can see from the touch LCD monitor. And I will show you the inside. Here is the inside. In fact, upstairs is some component of the inverter. Downstairs, in the back side, there is a very big transformer. And in the medium, there are two MPPT solar charge controller modules. That means there are two-way MPPT for connection, because some of the area they need many solar panels to connect. So we designed this system with two MPPT modules. So we can see here the connection and the air breaker. We can see there are two PV inputs, PV1 and PV2. That means that MPPT1, MPPT2 for the connection. There are positive and negative for the PV solar panel connection. Red color, black color, red color, black color. This will be very simple for connection. And the second connection is the AC switch. That means the AC input, the wiring. Because this is the 3 phases. 3 phases the inverter. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see 5 connections for the AC input wire. So this is for input. And the third one is the battery switch. This is for the battery, of course, positive and negative to connect the battery, DC battery. So we can see the cable, the wiring here is very strong for the battery, because normally there is a big current for the battery. And the fourth is the output, AC output switch. So it will be the same. AC output and the maintenance will be the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 connector for the AC output and the maintenance. So you can see the connection, the wiring of this system will be very simple and very clear. And then this is for the inverter. And now we are going to show you the battery here. Sorry. I will going to show you more about the battery. The battery is also very important. This is for 120 kilowatt hour. So I will turn on the cabinet, the door of the cabinet, so you can see more. You can have more idea about the lithium battery. Voila. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 8 pieces, totally 8 pieces, the lithium modules. Each module is 16 pieces in series. We use the 300 mAh lithium cells, LiFePO4 lithium cells, very stable lithium cells, 300 amps. So we can calculate for each module. For example, this module is 16 pieces, 300 amp hour lithium cells in series. So totally will be 51.2 volts times 300 amp hour. For one pieces of module will be about 15 kilowatt hour capacity. So one is 15 kilowatt hour capacity. We can calculate totally 8 pieces. 8 pieces we can calculate simply will be total 120 kilowatt hour capacity for all. So that will be enough for a small hotel, small hospital, small company for 120 kilowatt hour capacity. And then besides, we can see very clearly positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. So that means the 8 pieces module, they are in series connection. In series connection, so they will have a total voltage of a high voltage. We can simply calculate also. The voltage of each module is 51.2 volts. 51.2 volts with times 8 pieces. So we will have about 400 volts totally for the high voltage of the system. Connect directly for the inverter. And then what is the advantage of the high voltage lithium battery system? It's the current. So that means if we need to use the same power, if the voltage is higher, that means the current is smaller. The current is smaller, that means the efficiency is higher. So very simple. But for the protection, we need to have a more professional module. We call this is the BMU. Each module of the lithium battery inside, in fact, there is the BMS. And then for the total system, we have an external. We have BMU outside. The BMU can protect all the modules. So that will be more clear. You can see all the information of each module. So for example, we can turn on the battery. This is the air breaker for safety, of course. And this is bottom for the turn on. So we can see the information. Just now I already calculate the voltage totally is 400 something. So 427 volts. We can see very clear the SOC before. The situation of the battery now is the normal or alarm or protect. There are many different kind of situation. The SOC means the percentage of the capacity of the battery and the current, because we did not connect any other device. So no current charging, no current discharging. And the temperature also. Temperature and the high voltage of lithium cells and something like that. In fact, we can also see all the voltage of each cells. We can see all information. So this will be very important when you want to know the situation of each lithium cells, because there are many lithium cells inside, in fact. And alarm information, why alarm, and system information also, and parameter setting also. The charge, cut-off charge voltage, and the cut-off discharge voltage also. So this will be very clear for the whole system. So after we connect this one with our inverter, we can make a small commercial solar system very professionally. Of course, every system are different, and every solar system different. Every client, they have a different require. So you can contact us. We are professional on the solar system off grid. So tell me your request, and then we can make a design according to your request, according to your area, according to your system. So this is our introduction today, and I hope this information will be useful for you. And of course, you can contact us by the www.bonjoursolar.com, and then you can have more communication. So hope we can cooperate very soon. Thank you very much. This is Leo from Bonjour Solar. See you next time. Bye bye.